In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Freshbooks payment. Let's dive right in. Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you need to cancel a payment you've made or processed through Freshbooks. Maybe it was a duplicate, made in error, or the services were cancelled. Whatever the reason, here's how you can smoothly handle that cancellation within the Freshbooks platform. Start by heading to the Freshbooks website. Once you're there, your journey to cancelling a payment begins with finding and clicking the login button prominently displayed on the web page. This action is your first step into the Freshbooks ecosystem, granting you access to your dashboard and all the financial tools Freshbooks has to offer. Once you click on login, you'll be given several options to access your account. For a faster and more seamless sign-in process, click on Sign In with Google. This option allows those who have linked their Google accounts for an easier and quicker way to access their Freshbooks account, bypassing the need to remember another set of login credentials. After selecting to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the one that's linked to your Freshbooks account. Once you've made your selection, hit enter. Upon successfully logging in, you're going to navigate to the Payments section of your Freshbooks dashboard. This section is integral for managing all transactions, including viewing incoming and outgoing payments, as well as issuing refunds or, in this case, cancelling payments. As you find yourself in the Payments section, hover over the invoice payment you wish to cancel. This action will highlight the invoice linked to the payment you're targeting for cancellation, making it easier to ensure you're cancelling the correct transaction. Look for the edit or pencil icon near the payment details. Clicking on this icon is crucial as it opens up options for modifying the payment details. It's where you can make edits or, as we're focusing on today, proceed with a cancellation. Within the options that appear, locate and click on the Delete Payment link. This link is effectively the gateway to confirming your wish to cancel the chosen payment. Finally, you'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to delete the payment. Click on Delete Payment to confirm your action. This step finalizes the process, effectively cancelling the payment from your Freshbooks accounting records, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated Freshbooks to cancel a payment. It's always important to double check the details of the transaction you're cancelling to ensure accuracy in your financial records. Additionally, communicate with any clients or service providers involved to inform them of the cancellation, maintaining transparency and trust in your business relationships. Remember, Freshbooks is designed to assist in managing your business's finances efficiently and effectively. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with its features can lead to smoother financial operations and more time to focus on growing your business. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs to help you navigate your business software needs. See you next time.